In a world that never stops, where the clock ticks faster than lightning, paperwork and follow-ups can feel like an uphill battle, particularly when it's about restoring your credit. Yet, imagine not having to navigate this labyrinth alone. Envision a supportive hand, guiding you through the maze, transforming the tedious into the effortless. Introducing your Credit Repaired Online, your partner in the journey towards credit restoration. We understand the nuances, the nitty-gritty, the ins and outs of credit repair, and we're here to help you reclaim control. Our approach, simple yet effective. We prioritize transparency, ensuring you're never left in the dark. We're not just a service, we're a community, a family that grows stronger together. So step out of the shadows of credit woes. Embrace the light of financial freedom. Visit your Credit Repaired Online. Remember, we're in this together, every step of the way. Join us soon for more advice from Vladimir Medina, only at your Credit Repair Online. Your journey to credit restoration starts here, and it starts now.